Good morning to all. Let's see about for the PHP object-oriented programming. Next, for what is OOPS? OOPS stands for object-oriented programming. This is also the procedural programming. Is about writing the procedures for the functions that performs the operations and the data. While object-oriented programming is about creating its main thing for object that contains both data and the functions. Next, object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming has several advantages. This is for OOPS concepts is very fast and easy to execute. This provides for clear structure the programs. Then OOPS helps to keep the PHP code. Then also it makes it possible to create a full reusable applications with the less code. So that's only we have used for the OOPS concepts. OOPS concepts is mainly occupied for the classes and objects. So what about class? Class and objects are two main things or two main aspects of the object-oriented programming. This is for the class programming example. This is for the object example. So class is one is defined for one car model. So most models are in the car. So that means Mercedes, BMW, Audi car. This is also explained for the objects. These are also represents for class and objects difference. Then class is template for the objects. An object is an instance of the class. When the individual objects are created, inherit all the properties and behaviors in the class. So each and objects are created from the one class. Defined class. Class is defined using the class keyword. So this is for syntax of class. Then we have to start the program. So PHP, this is for the class and this for the class name. So we have include for the class name is also the fruit. This is the simple syntax for the class creation. This is for example for the creating a class. This is also for the class created. Then class name is also my computer. This is for the public function. Public functions we have to print it for using echo systems. So echo, this is SI quality keyboard called for the object. This is for your object creation syntax. So we have to create for a new object. So new from the class of my computer. This is for objects. What is objects? Classes are nothing without objects. So each and every object without nothing, without for function in class helping. So classes are nothing without objects. We can create multiple objects from a class. So thank you students. Let's